Hi everybody, I'm Kevin Steelhammer. Some of you know, some of you don't, some of you wish you did. I'm the Siles of Freiheit. The Siles of Freiheit is a full bar, restaurant. We have food trailers, so we want you guys to come out and enjoy. We have multiple trailers here. We have 999 Fought to Go. We have a trailer that's back there. It's called Tupelhunden. Tupelhunden was German for, and I probably pronounced it wrong, but it's German for devil dog. They're gourmet hot dogs. They're very, 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 very amazing and good. We have Schwein Dining. It's a barbecue trailer. It'll have barbecue pork. It will have barbecue chicken. It's amazing. We also have a very, very special trailer that's called Ava's Place. I want to introduce Heather Harrison. There's a lot of history. There's a lot of story about this trailer. So right now, I'm going to let Heather take over.
So what I can tell you about the We Care trailer named Ava's Place is that Kevin and the Knipers, Sam and Renee, which those are the parents of Ava, so I wanted to support a nonprofit who supports families in the area. Specifically, they chose Hope Hospice because we do so much for the community before and even after a loss. So we are so grateful to Kevin and Sam and Renee and to Ava for honoring the families that we serve. So I just want to tell you a little bit about what the trailer offers. There is a decal that you could buy anytime. So you could keep it, you could attach it to the trailer and write your loved one's name on it, someone who's battling cancer. But only $3.86, that's how much it costs to make it, right? That's what Kevin and the team keep. The rest of it comes to Hope Hospice, specifically the Hampel Weiss Grief and Hope Center, where we provide a variety of different grief support services from support groups, creative ones with children and adults alike, as well as in-person counseling, and then also Camp Haven Heart, which is our grief support camp that brings in a fun way to provide coping mechanisms and ways to deal with grief for children. All of those things are able to be provided at no cost thanks to the generosity of donors and grantors, and including the sale of things like this, as well as Michaela has the We Care flannel blanket. So these are available for $20 and $3.86 stays. These are available for $30 and $10 comes to Hope, as well as a portion of the proceeds of all of the food sales. So we're just so, so grateful to Kevin, Michaela, the Knipers, and all the staff at the silos for the generosity for selecting us to be able to help the community in this special way. So thank you so much, Kevin.